Hey guys, it's time for another exciting scooter update. As you know by now, we have two brand new proprietary models coming with the 2022 Apollo City this year and the recently announced Apollo Pro coming early next year. But we've also been reworking our popular Air Pro scooter to fill a need that the community has been asking for. Since the new 2022 City is heavier than its predecessor, we have heard loud and clear that we still need an ultralight portable option for city-dwelling members that need to carry it up a few flights of stairs. While the previous versions of the Air and Air Pro did fit that ultralight need fairly well, we also heard feedback that people still wanted more from it. So today we're going to cover all the upgrades you can expect to see from the new 2022 Apollo Air. First off, let's cover our bases and explain the change of name. The scooter you see here looks almost exactly the same as our previous Air Pro, but we are now simply calling it the Apollo Air as we are consolidating the two existing models in our lineup. Previous Air Pro featured a 350 watt motor with a 36 volt 10.4 amp hour battery. It was able to reach a maximum top speed of 18 miles per hour and boasted a maximum range of 18 miles. The new updated Apollo Air is boosted up to 500 watt motor with a 21700 cell 36 volt 15 amp hour battery. This translates to a maximum top speed of 21 miles per hour and a maximum range of up to 31 miles. You don't need to break the bank to get good brakes in your scooter, which is why the new Apollo Air now features a dedicated regen throttle on top of the ultra-reliable front drum brake. With the added speed the Air offers, you can still have that precise stopping power. The folding mechanism on our new 2022 City was one of our most favorite features, so we decided we should implement it on our updated Air as well. The ease and simplicity of the mechanism, along with how effective it is, make for a winning combination. But we didn't just stop there. We also upgraded the tires and inner tubes for fewer flats, integrated the wires to be even more seamless, and gave it a fresh coat of graphite gray paint for an updated look. On top of all these awesome new features and upgrades, you can still expect the same lightweight portability, integrated app compatibility, and superior ride quality. The newly updated 2022 Apollo Air is available now at apolloscooters.co or .ca.